Today I'm going to talk about how to install netmiko using pip on Windows 10. So I have a step-by-step procedure here. So number one is download get-pip.py from this website to your local PC. Uh, Number two is once downloaded, just run it or install it. And three, once installed, open a command prompt and type pip install netmiko. And you can verify it by opening the Python interpreter and running import netmiko. And when you run this, and if you don't get any error messages, uh, that would mean that that means that netmiko is successfully installed. So I'm gonna do this step by step, but I have a note here. Python, the latest version of Python should come with pip. So uh, you don't have to install pip to to your local PC. Uh, when you have the latest version of Python installed on your computer. But for some reason, uh, after you type pip install netmiko and you get error messages, you can follow this instruction here. So, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and uh, go through these steps. So one, go to that website. I think I already have that website opened. So here, that's the website, and then you so download it to your local PC. You can just right click on it and click save as, and yeah, so file name is you can just uh, type any file name that you want, but I'm naming this as get-pip, and I'm gonna save it to my desktop. So as you can see, I already downloaded it before. Uh, so once downloaded, you just have to run it. So I'm gonna go to that, uh, or we can just go to my here. So found existing, it says here, found existing installation, pip 19.1.1 uninstalling, successfully uninstalled. So uh, it's uh, it's installing itself, and after it removed the existing installation. So let's just wait for a few seconds here. Uh, it's taking it's taking a while. I think it's because of my internet connection. I'm gonna try to end to press enter. Okay, so it is installed. Once installed, open a command prompt and type pip. Actually, this is wrong. Just type Python first, or yeah, Python is already installed. Let me. It is already installed. So I can just type this. So as you can see, uh, requirement already satisfied, so meaning that netmiko is already installed. So uh, number four is you can verify it by opening the Python interpreter and running this command here, import netmiko. So I'm gonna do that. Python import netmiko. So I didn't get any error messages. So that means that netmiko is installed uh, successfully. So yeah, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.